All right, so we are here in White, Georgia, Old Car City. Best place on the planet. We're gonna do some car spotting. Ready? Hey. All right, let's start here. What's this?
It's a mess, that's what it is.
Besides a mess, what is it? He's thinking about it.
I'm thinking about it.
What do you think?
I think it's a Pontiac.
It's a Pontiac. All right. You heard it here. 37 more acres to go.
In an hour.
They got a few cars here. And they got a few signs.
Seriously, none of this is for sale?
And off we go. There isn't a single car here for sale.
Why?
That's part of the charm. Nobody knows why. Yet here they all are.
I like this with the thing on top of it.
There is a path somewhere.
The hood?
That was a really nice Thunderbird convertible at one point. Just needs a little buffing out.
Yeah.
There's a nice Mustang in there. Look at that. Little wash and wax, she's good to go.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Couple of Studebakers. Probably snakes.
The snakes come at no charge. But it's 55 bucks to get in.
Why would anybody do this?
Nobody knows.
Why on earth?
All right, so what are we looking at? What's this?
Well, that's a 49 Ford over there.
49 Ford. You heard it first.
This is probably a Plymouth.
This is probably a Plymouth.
Let's see.
It's
We'll see.
probably poison ivy.
Probably.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
There are much easier ones to see. So
Chevy.
it's a Chevy, folks.
Where's the poison ivy?
Right this way.
Sure about this, I was looking at yours.
Right this way. Do I take my folks to the good places or what?
Do you ever?
All right, what's this here? The Pine Needle Special. What do you got here? You know, this was in perfect shape when I parked it. All this stuff happened since I parked it here.
They actually have 30 acres of this?
37 acres. What's this guy here? Plymouth.
Not a car here that's worth restoring.
It's art.
I don't think so. Junk. Right behind me, that's the whole thing.
But wait, there's more. All right, that's an Oldsmobile. What year Oldsmobile's that?
4950.
4950 Oldsmobile. How about this thing? What's that thing?
It's a Hudson.
A Hudson. You could get that from the department store. I see a Kresge and a Corvette. Here's a Hudson.
Yeah.
A Kmart.
And a Buick. Buick Special. 5 or 6.
Buick Special. with the portholes. There's a Chevy.
That's Crystal.
Is it? Oh yeah. It's a lot easier to walk around last time.
Yeah.
Watch your step, there's a hole.
Yeah. Watch out.
There's actually some sort of path that you can get to at some point.
How'd you find this place?
Yes.
How could I not find this place?
Race of a 55 Chevy. School buses.
What year is that school bus?
Actually, it's pretty disgusting. They take all these cars and let them rot here. Engine blocks.
Ooh, what's this?
Boston, maybe?
I don't know.
Mini?
Let's see, it says over here.
The mini badge.
What's that say? Notice. Watch tire inflation. I don't think that's really a problem for this car anymore.
Right.
I'm just guessing. I think that's the same Buick. It's another Buick. Yep.
Much stuff. It's wet too. Panel trucks.
There we are. I think it's made its last delivery. What do you think?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah. I have sandals on.
You have sandals on, you're in trouble.
You have to pay more if you're taking pictures.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I think it's 25 bucks to take pictures. I don't know. How else are they going to make money with this?
I was expecting to make money on this anyway.
What does this say? Butane, Somerville,
You
Georgia.
want to just go back?
Phone
We'll walk
105J.
through if you don't want to walk through this mess.
Oh, come on.
No.
You already paid $55.
The sandals on.
It gets better. That was the hard part.
It couldn't possibly get any better.
It's all uphill from here. Blind woman gets new kidney from dad she hasn't seen in years. Oh, because she's blind.
Yeah, we get it.
I get it. There's a nice little VW transporter. Not transporting anyone these days.
Or anything.
Or anything.
Seriously, how did you find this place?
Now this is a parking job. This takes me back to my valet days. I used to stack them 3 deep. All right, we're getting to some cars here that I can recognize. Let's see. Got a 70s Chevy here. I don't know what this is.
Looks like a Ford product.
No, I don't know.
No.
It's hard to say, there's so little of it left. Here is a Vega. These weren't any good when they were new.
Well, now we know where all the license plates came from.
See, you solved the mystery.
Yeah.
There's a little Chevy. Half of a Ford pickup. Here's a fine GM product here. Here's a nice Camaro for you. For the sports car lover. Still has the original radio. Come on now. It doesn't have anything else, but it's still got the radio.
Here, give me your
What?
phone.
My phone?
Yeah,
Why?
mine's in the car.
Okay.
It's calling for reinforcements. You might be a redneck if the hood and door are from a different color from the rest of the car. It's really hard to identify these cars. This is a Tempest, right? Let's see. Look at that.
Yep.
Very nice.
Tempest in a teapot.
I think that's a Buick. And this one is like a health hazard.
That's all the health hazard.
Here's like a Firebird.
Trans Am or Firebird. Yeah. Chevy.
More trucks.
Another Chevy.
Monte Carlo. Still has a good hubcap in there.